Hey, what's up everyone? It's Maria, and welcome back to Mrs. MindWave. Now, if you caught my last video, we dove deep into the top 10 AI assistants, killing it in 2025. But this time, we're flipping the script. This one's for all the developers, tech heads, and AI enthusiasts out there. We're talking APIs, SDKs, the works. Whether you're looking to build custom skills, integrate voice commands, or just want to understand the backend magic of these AI assistants, this is your guide. We'll be breaking down each assistant, highlighting their unique developer features, and giving you a clear roadmap on how to get started. And don't worry, I've got you. All the official links and resources you need will be right down in the description. So buckle up, grab your developer hats, and let's get this AI party started. First up, we've got Google Assistant. No surprise there. It's the reigning champ of natural language processing, and its integration with Google's ecosystem is just seamless. For developers, Google Assistant is a gold mine. Think about it. You can tap into the power of Google Actions API to build conversational experiences that feel truly natural. Want to bring voice-activated commands to your users' smart homes? Google Assistant integrates seamlessly with Google Home and Android devices, giving you a massive reach. And for those looking to dive into the world of chatbots and voice interfaces, Google's Dialogflow is your new best friend. It's incredibly powerful and surprisingly intuitive to use. Getting started with Google Assistant is a breeze. Head over to the Google Assistant Developer Console. Don't worry, the link's in the description. Once you're there, sign up for a free account and you'll find a super helpful quick start guide for actions on Google. They really walk you through the basics and get you building in no time. And if you're feeling adventurous, jump into Dialogflow and start experimenting with conversational workflows. Trust me, it's easier than you think, and the possibilities are endless. Next up, we've got Siri, Apple's own AI assistant, holding it down in the Apple ecosystem. If you're building for iPhones, iPads, Macs, Apple Watch, Siri's your go-to. Developers get access to SiriKit, Apple's framework for integrating Siri's voice control directly into your apps. Imagine your users controlling your app with just their voice. That's the power of SiriKit. And with Shortcuts APIs, you can take it even further. Let users create custom automations that interact with your app. Talk about a next level user experience. But it doesn't stop there. Apple's core ML framework lets you add machine learning capabilities to your app, making Siri even smarter and more responsive. To get started with Siri development, your first stop is the Apple Developer Siri Kit Guide. Again, link in the description. Apple provides incredibly detailed documentation and resources, making the learning curve surprisingly smooth. And to start building those Siri-enabled apps, you'll need Xcode, Apple's integrated development environment. My advice? Get comfortable with Swift, Apple's programming language, and check out their Swift playgrounds. It's a fun and interactive way to learn the ropes. So you want to dive into the world of voice-first experiences. Alexa's got your back. It's not just about Echo devices anymore. We're talking about a whole ecosystem of smart speakers, displays, even cars rocking Alexa integration. And for developers, that means a massive potential audience for your skills and creations. Want to build a skill that helps people with their daily routines, like setting reminders or controlling smart home devices? You got it. The Alexa Skills Kit, or Ask, is your one-stop shop for building these voice experiences. Plus, with AWS Lambda backing you up, you can build scalable serverless backends without the headache of managing servers. Imagine telling Alexa to dim the lights, adjust the thermostat, or even preheat the oven, all with the power of your voice. All right, let's talk ChatGPT. This is OpenAI's brainchild, making waves in the tech world. Next level conversational AI, not just chatbots, generating human quality text, translating languages, writing creative content, and answering questions. The OpenAI API unlocks ChatGPT's potential. Integrate it into your applications and services. Add serious AI firepower to your projects. Now, if you're deep in the Microsoft ecosystem, think Windows, Azure, Cortana is your AI assistant of choice. It's all about that seamless integration. Azure Bot Services is where the magic happens. Build intelligent bots that interact with Cortana, giving users a voice-controlled interface. It's all possible with Cortana and the power of Azure. It's all about that tight integration. All right, moving down our list, we've got Bixby at number 6. Now, you might know Bixby as Samsung's voice assistant, and you're right. But it's also a really interesting platform for developers, especially if you're deep in the Samsung ecosystem. See, Bixby is all about these things called capsules. Think of capsules as the building blocks of Bixby experiences. They're basically like apps specifically designed for Bixby, and that's where you, the developer, come in. You can create these capsules to add functionalities, services, or even just fun interactions to Bixby. So let's say you have this killer idea for a fitness app that integrates seamlessly with Samsung wearables. Well, with Bixby, you can create a capsule that lets users control their workouts, track their progress, all with simple voice commands. It's all about making things super intuitive and connected within the Samsung world. Now, to get started with Bixby development, you'll want to head over to the Bixby developer portal. Samsung has done a pretty good job of putting together guides and resources to help you get up to speed. They even have a dedicated Bixby developer studio to make the whole process smoother. Next up, we're talking enterprise-grade AI with IBM Watson Assistant. Now, IBM has been in the AI game for a long time, and Watson Assistant is their answer to building powerful, intelligent chatbots, especially for businesses. Think customer service bots that can handle complex queries, virtual assistants that can streamline internal processes, or even AI-powered agents that can help with things like scheduling and reminders. Watson Assistant is designed to handle all of that and more. One of the key strengths of Watson Assistant is its ability to understand and respond to natural language. You can train it on your specific industry jargon, company, specific terms, all that good stuff. So if you're building a chatbot for a bank, you can make sure it understands what someone means when they say things like transfer funds or check my balance. To dive into the world of Watson Assistant, you'll want to head over to the IBM Watson developer website. They have a whole bunch of tutorials and documentation to get you started. And of course, they offer different pricing tiers depending on your needs, whether you're just experimenting or building out a full-blown enterprise solution. All right, so we've talked about AI assistants that can help you get things done, but what about an AI that you can actually talk to? That's where Replika comes in. Replika is all about building AI companions. It learns from your conversations and preferences. It's like having a digital twin to chat with. For developers, Replika offers the Replika Pro API. You can build custom AI companions. Head over to their developer portal to get started. So we've talked about a lot of powerful AI assistants so far, but Anthropic's Claude AI is doing something really interesting. They're focused on building AI that's not just powerful, but also safer and more transparent. You know, AI that we can actually understand and trust. And let's be real, with all the talk about AI going rogue, that's a pretty big deal. Anthropic is all about making sure that AI development is done responsibly. And that's reflected in Claude. Now, for developers, Claude offers a set of APIs that you can use to tap into its advanced AI capabilities. Whether you're building chatbots, content creation tools, or something completely new, Claude's got you covered. To get started, head over to the Anthropic website. You can sign up for an account and dive into their developer resources. They've got documentation, examples, and everything you need to start building. All right, for our final AI assistant on this list, let's talk about Hound by SoundHound. Now, you might know SoundHound from their music recognition app, but they're also doing some really cool stuff in the voice AI space. Hound is all about real-time speech recognition, and I mean really real-time. We're talking super fast, accurate voice processing that can understand complex commands and questions. And for developers, this opens up a world of possibilities. With the Houndify APIs, you can integrate their powerful voice recognition tech directly into your apps and services. Imagine building apps that respond instantly to voice commands, or creating hands-free experiences that feel truly intuitive. If you're ready to explore the world of voice-first applications, head over to the Houndify website. You can grab your API keys, explore their documentation, and start building the future of voice interaction. And there you have it, a deep dive into the top 10 AI assistants shaping the landscape in 2025. From Google Assistant to Hound, we've covered a lot of ground, and I hope this video has given you a solid foundation to start building your own AI-powered projects. Remember, all the links to the developer resources for each AI assistant are in the description below. So don't be shy, go check them out. Start experimenting and see what amazing things you can create. And hey, if you have any questions, need help with a specific tool, or just want to share your thoughts, drop a comment below. I'm always down to chat about AI and tech. Also, let me know which AI assistant you'd like to see a dedicated video on. Your feedback helps shape the channel. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Mrs. MindWave for more AI goodness, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.